Alright guys, what's good? It's A&G here, and I'm going to show you how you can still play your games on CFG, but instead of starting over, you can pick up just where you left off. Alright, so now let's go into CFG. So let's pick a game, and let's hit start. Now, normally what happens when people have their games moved to CFG and they try to continue their game, they notice that their save data is gone. We'll give you an example once this screen is done loading. Now you see the Gamecube game is also looking for the memory card data. It did not find it. As proof it did not find it, we're going to hit load again to see if it find it. Okay, now it didn't find it. So now we're going ahead and fix that. And once you fix it, you'll be overwhelmed with joy. Alrighty, now let's go back to Tony Hawk Pro Skater. And now here in this options menu, we're going to go to this one that says NMM. What you want to do is turn that off, and once you turn it off, hit start, and it will boot the game. And now the only difference is now once we go to our loading screen and try to load our data should be present. Okay. Oh, it found it. To make sure that it found it, go to the loading menu screen. Oh, and there's our file right there. Now we can enjoy our play. Now, if you guys enjoyed the video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, add, and share. We do appreciate you watching this video all the way through. This is A&G, and we are signing out.